Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Venmo link. So in this video, I'm not going to show you an inside app tutorial. So if you're looking for that, I apologize. I cannot log in because I'm outside the US. So first, you will need to go log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you'll need to go and create a new one. And now how to easily share your Venmo link. So all you need to do, of course, is simply enter the app, then go to the Me tab. You'll find it at the bottom right normally, as you can see right here. Then click on this small QR code in your profile picture. Once you do so and click on it, you'll find this Venmo Me option. Click on it, and then as you can see, scroll to the Venmo Me tab. Then the app may automatically open that tab if you access the QR code via your profile right away. So normally you'll find the QR code right here that you already can share with other people if you want people to pay you with that QR code. But if you don't want that exactly like this QR code, you can simply click on this share button. Once you click on the share button, as example, you'll be able to share that link. And here, of course, you can choose to who you want to share it, like to who from subject. That's if you want to send this as an email, you can send this even via other options as well. And of course, you can even share your profile link instead. Like instead, this is a payment link, but profile link is going to be the same. So it's going to be me. Go to your username as example in the app, click on it, and then as example, the link will be created like this. It's going to be normally venmo.com/ your username. That's all. That's going to be the venmo.com. So as example, I don't know, venmo.com slash, I don't know, just look for this user. Okay, so this user does not exist as example, especially of course in like the web page. So yeah, basically that's how you get your link of your profile. And even if someone wants to pay you, there's a third method as example. If you want just to look for, go to like friends, look for the person that you want, click on add friend, and simply from there they can pay you without even sharing the link with them. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.